In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Simify SIM card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Generally, using any Simify SIM card is a straightforward process. The steps will depend on whether you have a physical SIM card or more commonly an eSIM. Simify's primary product is the eSIM, and the process for using it is designed to be as simple as possible. If you have a modern device that is compatible with these digital SIM cards, it is by far the most convenient option. So, when you purchase an eSIM, you will receive a digital code alongside an email. So buy your desired Simify eSIM plan from their website. So you can choose a plan, add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and after the checkout is done and your purchase has been confirmed, you will receive an email instantly after purchase. This email will contain a QR code, and they will also give you the steps needed for you to activate it. So while you are still connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or your home data plan, install the eSIM. You will go to the settings of your device, and for iPhone it is usually going to be under the cellular data category or mobile data. In there you will see the options to add a cellular plan or scan a QR code referring to an eSIM. And as long as you scan the QR code that you acquired from the Simify email, it is going to be associated with your device. Follow the instructions on screen and the activation process will be done. Enable data roaming for the Simify line, which is an essential step because the eSIM needs to roam on a local network to connect and activate. Do not worry about extra charges, and you will be able to use it. If you need additional help, you can click on this little speech bubble icon on the official website, and they will be able to provide you with specific help. But in general, it is extremely straightforward. You scan the QR code from the email, and after it has been scanned, the eSIM will be associated with your smartphone. You might have to restart your device during this process. For a physical SIM card, while still less common, you can still use it with Simify. In this case, you will need to power off your device, pull out the SIM tray, usually with a SIM ejector tool, and then insert the physical SIM card. With this done, reinsert it into your device, restart it, and you will be good to go, just like the eSIM. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.